YouTube, and then copy the video link. So I'll come here, and this time around I'll copy the video link and not the name or the title. So I'll copy the video link. So I'll copy the video link. So this time around I'll copy the video link and not the title. So I'll copy it. So I'll copy the video link. Then this is where you are going to make the money. You go and search for Okay guys, welcome again to my channel Online Hustle. So if you're interested in making money online, make sure you subscribe, you turn on the notification bell. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make money from sharing YouTube videos links. Just sharing, you will get paid for sharing YouTube video link. Okay, so guys, if you're interested in making money online, share, subscribe, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's start. So you go to the internet, go to Google, and then you will search for YouTube. Okay, so let's go to YouTube first. Okay, so go to YouTube. Okay, so you come to YouTube and then you search for football news today. Football news today. Football news today. Okay, so you scroll down and then you look for something like, as you can see, 19 hours ago. It's not a good point. Moreno react to Tottenham's draw at Castle. As it is Castle United. Then so you search for news like this one. Okay, so you find news like this one, and then so any football news you will get, this is what you are going to.
It's not good points.
That's okay.
We should then become, of course, the objective to win it. So. Not happy with the points, and I don't want to go very deep on my analysis, because I feel that what I feel, what I think, what I want to say cannot be with you, can only be in the dressing room.
If we start looking defensively, not going too deep, but was it perhaps a little too open at times?
It's a bit of a contradiction, because normally you tell that we are not.
So after watching it for a while and you see that the news about the video is interesting, then you will copy the name, not the link, but rather the name of the video or the title of the video. So you copy it. You copy the title of the video, not the link. Don't copy it. Okay, then I open a new tab and I'll search for, I'll just paste it and then I will search it. So as you can see, this is the video, the name. So I just copied the name and then I pasted it in the address bar. I searched it. So I'll come down and then look for the something like this one. It's no good point, so I'll look for this one. I'll go in for this one. Okay, so I'll come and copy the first sentence to the topic. So I'll copy this thing, the one I highlighted. So I'll copy it, and then I'll open a new tab, and then I'll go to Google Docs. Let me go to Google Docs. Then I'll tap on go to Google Docs. Then click on blank. Come and paste what I copied. Okay, so this is what I copied. Then I'll go back to YouTube and then copy the video link. So I'll come here, and this time around I'll copy the video link and not the name or the title. So I'll copy the video link. So I'll copy the video link. So this time around I'll copy the video link and not the title. So I'll copy it. So I'll copy the video link. Then this is where you're going to make the money. You go and search for shrink me .io, shrinkme.io. So you go and search it, and this is the website. So you come here, you come and sign up. So click on register. Okay, so you come and sign up. Okay, so let me sign up. Okay. Okay, so this is the website. Go to Google Docs and then add it. So you go to Google Docs and then add it to what you have already pasted here. So this is the link. So where I'm going to show you where you post it. So anyone who reads it will want to continue the article. So when the person sees the link, the person will click on the link, and when the person clicks on the link, it will generate money into your Shrink account, so you'll be able to cash out. So let's go to the website. So you go to Talk Football 365. quackfootball365.com. So go to this website, quackfootball365.com, and I have already, okay, let me go back. I have already signed up, so I'll just go to the website so I can sign up again so that you can see. Okay, so you come here and then you sign up, Top Football 365. So you come and sign up. So type of password. Okay, confirm. So I'll create my account, football365.com. You go there and create your account. Okay, so please confirm your email. So your email has been sent into. They have sent me an email, confirmation email. So I'll go to my email and I'll go and confirm it. And after that, I'll log in. So when you log in, okay, so validate my account. Okay, so it's here. Okay, so basically, so when you come here, you go to create. So this is a website where people come together, those who are interested in football. They discuss a lot about football. So as you can see, they post it and they discuss it. La Liga, Premier League, Copa del Rey, Italian, French football, Asian football, UEFA. They all come together and they discuss about it. And it's also connected to Twitter. So what you post here, we also go to the Twitter account of this website, and then people will be able to read it. So you come and put the article you have made in the Google Docs. So you go to Google Docs and then you come and you share it, also save it, and then we copy the link. That's it. So you tap on create content. Then you select transfer Ramos. Then we go to the Google Docs and then you come and copy the title here, the title of our article. So come and copy it. Then you go to the Football 365 and you post it in the title. You paste it in the title and then you go back and then you copy the link of the Okay, so you copy the link, get the link. Okay, so link copy, then you go to shrink, and then you come and shorten. You paste in, and come and shorten it. So now we have it. Then we copy it. So copy it, and then you come back to your football 365, and then you paste this in your content. You paste it, and then you come and submit it. So you are done. So this works 100% autopilot. So as they see it, they will be interested to do follow up of what you have posted. So you come and click on the link, and immediately they click on the link, it will generate money into your shrink account, the account you created, and then it will send them to your Google Docs. So they'll go and read the article, and then when they see the video link under it, they click it and they send them to YouTube. So that's all. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. So if you're interested in making money live, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video from online hustle. Never at online hustle. Make sure you comment, let me know what you like about this video, and what you don't like, what you didn't like, and then whatever. Thanks.